Hello everyone! Today we will continue with the random quote generator project and work on the look of the application. First, we will center the application on the screen using Flexbox. We will give a color on the background, set the font family and add some margin. In the previous video we already worked with the Flexbox where I explained step by step how the technology works. Next, we add the background color, padding, border radius, box shadow, then we center the text with text align center, width, then maximal width we give 500 pixels. Next, we add the margin to the code box container. We style the paragraph. We give font size, then font style, italic and color. Let's style the span element as well. We give the margin top, font weight, bold and color. Then we will style the button. We give padding, font size, background color, color. Without a border, the button will look better, which is why we will remove it using border none. Then we will use cursor, well, it's work, and transition. Finally, we add a hover effect to the button, which will cause changes when we move the cursor over the button. And now let's test if it works. It works. We are already finished with the styling. In the next video we will work on the functionality of this application. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.